We've got to get that from there to there. Crane is that? All those measurements are good. Good morning YouTube, start of another week. Monday already. Feeling slightly delicate myself this morning after a few celebratory birthday drinks yesterday for me. Thanks to all who attended. So lads have just got loaded up. We didn't realise, we thought it was this week, but the MOT run out last week, so we had it booked in on 19th, thinking that's when MOT run out, and it was 14th it run out, so been parked up now since weekend. I'm just going to catch up with stuff from weekend, a few little bits to do. We're hoping to hear back from the project manager at Linthwaite of whereabouts to put these posts. So we think we might need a few extra panels, so hopefully we'll get that sorted out, and then when we go back to do the timber we can fully complete it, which I could do with completing some jobs because I can't get paid anyway because they're all half done. And then one we did a while back, for some reason they've only paid me a little bit this morning instead of full amount. I don't know what's going on there. Why can't people just pay? Anyway, moan over. I'm not going to start the week with a moan, so I shall get off for now and I shall catch you later. Lovely out here, but look where I am at the minute. I'm like top of home Firth, middle of nowhere. But it's beautiful around here. Right, okay, you see for absolute miles and miles today with it being clear. And I'm going to see a little school which is 5 minutes away, over here somewhere. Yeah, so we're probably 2 metre high twin mesh, and it's going to go across there and then a gate there just to tie it off. We'll just have a manual for now, and then on the inside of up there and up there. And there's about 44 metres including the gate. No, it'll just go behind this wall. Won't need crank posts because it'll be tied up to the wall, so it won't be too bad. I'm just off over to Leeds to meet like area site manager of a school trust. We've worked here before, we've done bits and bats for all the schools over the years, but basically I think he's got 4 schools somewhere to look at this morning. So I'm meeting him in Hunslet, then Otley, then yeah, that's correct, and we're going to Baildon and then Bingley. So it's a bit of a long circle, so I'll be out for a good few hours seeing these. I mean, I'll try get some footage whilst I'm there. I mean, I sort of half know what they need already because he's sent me some pictures, but of course the bits he needs he hasn't really measured, so I just need to measure them myself because one's going over the wall I think, and a few other bits and bats. So the lads Carl, Ben and Baggy have gone back to Linthwaite. They hopefully should be finished there today. So they've covered this old mesh fence here with this feather edge and it's blowing it down, so I'll come up with some solution. So this first one, nearly 5 metres that way, 8 metres that way, and basically we're going to have 2 metre twin mesh come down there, no gate, take this timber down and then put it there. This is coming away, and then along here finish it to there with a 1.2 wide gate opening into the left there. This is coming down, we're going to replace it with 2 metre high V-mesh, like the one we did over the road. And just one panel, we turn it to there, and it's 22 metres. Good morning YouTube. Nice and early. Me and Carl got here at 6:30, looks like it's going to be a glorious day again, look. Once that current bung gets out, we're going to make his way over to Sheffield. Got the big sliding gate getting delivered today, so you should get there about 10:30 I think they said. So hopefully we don't get too much traffic, hence why we're going a bit earlier. Just at Sheffield here. Just taking wood off of this digging base we did. Gate's coming today about 10:30 we hope. Bit of luck, it should all go on no problem. It's only a manual one. And then we've got to do fencing just for a run back here. And a little bit from that side to there. Gate's turned up. Driver's just undoing straps now. And it's a big one. 10 metre opening.
That will be better. You know these adjusters on the rear?
Yeah.
If they did same at front,
Yeah.
you see if you could get a bit of adjustment.
I'll better make sure that locking thing ain't on.
Yeah. Transport bar.
Yeah.
You want to grab that?
We've got to get that from there
Ben,
to there.
grab this pallet.
Could be interesting. Busy road is this. Let's get it set up now. So smart guy. Busy road though is this. I can't really get in here because for all these still working. Two businesses. Hopefully it goes okay. Coming off. Got baggy with guide rope at back to make sure it doesn't swing into the road. Look at the size of that thing.
That's what she said.
Crane is that? All those measurements are good. Built it. Good. Come back to you shortly. About got it in. That measurements are okay. And the main one is that. Hang on. Finish that. Well pleased with how that's gone. Very pleased. You see, some gate into it. 10 metres. And then that's the original mark there, look. Well, we've got to fence it off. Then we've got to just fence obviously the run back here. We've just got to set that out, which we were doing when he turned up. Absolutely spot on. So yeah. And then obviously there's the inset bit here. That's slightly lower than that side. Which, yeah, so it turned out nice. And then from there we've just got to fence it to there. Driver's just packing up. See Carl, see face play. You pleased with that, Carl?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
What on is that?
Obviously Carl and Baggy did this concrete in here, so big kudos to these guys. They're absolutely peeing it down when they did it. And it's turned out absolutely spot on, literally millimetre perfect.
We knew it was going to be literally to the tens of millimetres.
Yeah, it's literally millimetres. We've had to sink that one in slightly, but we've already tried it and it's literally millimetre perfect. Couldn't have been any better than to his original marks and everything, so we're well pleased with that. It's always a worry, especially when you've got a foundation that big, which is more or less 4 metres. Yeah, overall, very, very happy. I feel like sunbathing in here, but just making a few of ourselves. We've took the back plate off. It's like the stoppers that they have, they literally just have a bolt coming up like that. We've took it out and we're putting, we've just moved it slightly back so back end works much better. We've gone exactly to their drawings and we think there's like a 60-70 mil discrepancy, so you get a bit of play, so we've just altered it slightly and we've put 2 bolts in ourselves, just so it's stronger anyway than theirs. We've got all that down. Ben's just finishing that, but overall it's gone really well. We'll get that in and then we'll get this cap back on. We'll get that bolted down. We'll have a quick back to it, get the other one bolted down, then we'll probably post that and then do this run back. Hopefully all done tomorrow. Yeah, so I've had to get them all out of shit again. They didn't know how to do this lot. That baggy didn't know how to do it, so I had to show him how to do it.
Tell them how you went over there and
well, to be fair, I went over and then they got it sorted. We've looked about an hour and a half. We had gating in about 20 minutes. I mean, look at it, it's an absolute his measurements. Absolute, couldn't get any better. Job over the road, he wants same along there. And his gate doing there, so I'm just going to get my wheel out now and go measure that, so hopefully might be worth his while anyway. Morning YouTube, nice early one for us today at Airedale. Friday, we just got loaded up, bag is gone. We met at 6 this morning, we're just getting light, but it might not be too bad, but I don't think it's going to be as warm as yesterday, but yeah, we're just setting off in a minute. Locking up now, and next time you see us, we'll be over in Sheffield. Getting a couple of posts in the front, up posted today, just a bit solid going. This tarmac's about bloody 12-inch thick. I think we're up and we're just going to miss it, but I think we've got one more there. Then we'll have to put a couple of rafts in there. And then these clients next door, these are sound actually that helpful. They've been storing the fencing on night in there for us. But they've just been out a bit concerned they haven't got a gate just in case whatever happens to this one. We've got a fence along this run back here, but this is easier digging on here, and then they've just asked if they can have a gate here just in case whatever happens, and they can get, because they're going to still park the little van here, and they can get out of there and through this gate instead of having to open the big one if they need to. Probably makes sense, so yeah. So just a little update, yeah, we've got these posted in, look, up to gate, so it'll be all ready for panelling on Monday. And let's clean them down, tarmac them. We've got jet wash with us, so a bit of tarmac into the little tarmac that. We'll clean all this down. This first one's going to fasten to 8 posts here, got a bolt down one, we've already dug that. So I think we've only got 2 more to dig over there, and then this side will be posted. We've decided to have a gate there now. So yeah, we'll have to just temporarily put some in, but it does look good, doesn't it? It's coming on. What is that? Yeah, so we're more or less done up front here now. We've just had a bit of dinner. All that's posted ready. We've just made a little modification to this slamming post. We don't like it, they're a bit tinny. So we just made that in there, which will be solid. It's just ready for tarmac Monday, panels shoving on. So that's quite easy. And we're just going to get them to get us palisade there over there in a minute, and then we've just got 4 sections to post around the corner. We're all done now, we've had a good day, all posting's done. Put a bit of palisade in around this back. We're all shattered now, the sun's just decided to come out, it's got red hot. But we're more or less done now. Did that stretch up there, which has been hard, down that really steep hill there, 3 and a bit sections. I'm just going to get them to pick this, but we've got a pale Monday back in factory over there. That's us anyway, I might as well call it here. Another good week done. I've got our prices over at the road yet, and then this bloke here is just a building down there that wants doing. We'll be in Sheffield a while. So yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy, thank you.